it's Holly and welcome back to my channel. Today I am very excited to be doing kind of like a new series that I'm going to be doing on my channel, and that's going to be trying out Pinterest makeup looks. I am not a makeup artist at all. I do like wearing coloured makeup on the daily, but I would not say that I am particularly great at it. It's something I really enjoy doing and it's an art form for me, but it's not something I am super comfortable with. So I was looking on Pinterest. If you guys don't follow my Pinterest, I would recommend two. My Pinterest is just like my name. It's always linked down below for you guys, so you guys can have a look at it. But I've got like a makeup sort of page here, and I was just scrolling down trying to see what's kind of like difficult, well, what looks somewhat difficult but really pretty for my makeup for the day. And I came across somewhere down here. Where is it? Nope. Going right past it, but it's this makeup look here. It kind of reminds you of like a sunset over an ocean. I think it is so pretty, and I think it was someone's Instagram account called Giuliana. I'll like list her name somewhere on the screen. So I give her full credit for this. This is just me trying to copy it because I'm not particularly great at makeup. I just really enjoy doing it, and I thought this would be a really fun video to do. So without further ado, let's get into it. I already have my base makeup on. If you guys want to see what I do for my base makeup, I just uploaded my everyday makeup routine, so I just followed that, doing my foundation and concealer and powder and bronzer and blush and highlighter and all that sort of stuff. I also my eyebrows. So now we can move straight on to the eyes. So the palettes I'm going to be using for this makeup look are these two Halloween palettes I got from Look Sharp here in New Zealand for about $2.50 each. Super cheap but super pigmented, which is what I really like about them. And then the eyeliner I'm going to be using is this Glam Eyes Rimmel London eyeliner, as well as two different blue eyeliners. This is my MAC eyeliner in High Def Cyan or Cayenne, or however you want to say it. And then I've also got this Barbie eyeliner, which I've had for years. It's just liquid blue, like deeper blue eyeliner, which I thought would be nice in my waterline, even though like I hate putting liquid liner in my waterline. And then I've also got my Essence The False Lashes mascara, which I love. I'm gonna zoom you guys in. I love how I'm just like a little bit too tall for this. Okay, that is much better. I'm just gonna make sure this is fully in focus. Okay, I think someone stole my tape dispenser, so I'm just going to be using this. And so yeah. And so, looking at the picture, so I'm just following down from my lower lash line. Just like so. Probably shouldn't have put that part on, but it's fine. There's tape in my eye right now. I might, just change that tape. Okay, so it's kind of like a gradient from like yellow into orange and then like darker orange around the lid. So I'm going to start off with this palette here, and I'm just going to take this beautiful yellow color and just put that all over my lid and my crease, taking it right out to the tape. Okay, so the next color I want to use and just kind of like blend it into the yellow, I guess, is like this ochre color here. It's kind of like a mixture between like orange and yellow. And I'm just going to take that and just kind of like put it more into my crease and onto my lid, and then kind of blend it into the yellow a little bit just to darken up parts of the yellow. Okay, and now I'm going to be taking an orange color. I have this brilliant orange color right here, which I absolutely adore, and so I'm just going to load that up and put quite a lot on just below that line, and then I'm going to really blend it. So I'm just going to get my lid first. I really want to build up this orange as much as possible because this is like the color that my makeup needs to be. So I think I'm going to keep layering this orange throughout, but right now I'm going to take this reddy brown color here, which I absolutely love. I use this color so much, and I'm just going to put that in my crease just to darken up my crease, because the crease of this is quite dark, as you can see. So I'm just going to kind of slowly build this up to being a bit darker. It's like falling out into my tear duct, which I don't want. To darken it up further, I'm going to take this red burgundy colour here and just put that in my crease as well. Look at how much fallout there is. Try and brush that away. I'm also going to take this colour onto my lid. There is quite harsh lines, as you can see, where the red and the yellow stop. So I'm just going to like grab a blending brush and just blend those together a little bit more. Okay, so it looks like that so far, which I'm pretty happy with. I think it looks quite nice. I want to darken it up more though, so I'm just going to go ahead and just take this brown colour here, and I'm just going to gently put that into my crease. And I'm going to take that burgundy colour again on top of it. It's just a lot harder than I thought it was going to be. Okay, now I'm going to start with the blue underneath, which is what I'm most excited for because I think it honestly looks so pretty. So the blue underneath, I'm going to start off with this colour here, which is like a really stunning ocean blue colour. And I am gonna have to take the tape off. Oh, do I want to take the tape off now? Okay, I might do the eyeliner and then do the blue. So for the eyeliner, I am going to be using this colour here, the Rimmel London. I already said what it was in the beginning of the video. And I'm just going to follow the line of the tape and do, it's quite a thick black line, a lot thicker than what I usually do. I already messed up. The tape is closer to this eye than it is to this eye. Like, it's closer to my eyelid. Dang it. I'm gonna like realign the tape and try that again. Take this tape off for now and just readjust for a little bit. Yeah, so it's like way past the line of where I wanted it. So I'm just going to like take this, fold it in half so it's like a clean line, and go upwards. Okay, there we go. Now it's the same angle. I don't actually need to remove all of the eyeliner either, just the part that was in the wrong. And now I'm going to grab another piece of tape. There we go. So now back to the eyeliner. This one's definitely a little bit more messy, but generally they look pretty similar. And so now I'm going to take this eyeliner and just go on top of it, and then I can clean up any lines with the black eyeliner again if I need to. I thought this would be easier with liquid liner, but I don't have liquid liner in the right colour. Okay, now I'm just going to take that black eyeliner again and just fix it up a little bit. This side I'm actually really happy with. I just need to go over a little bit of it that I went over the line in. So now I'm going to gently rip off the tape. Look how clean that line is. Also, you can see where all the fallout is. I'm going to have to redo my base makeup a little bit. And there's that one as well. So now taking that blue colour I showed you before, I've already got on the brush, I am just going to put it in the just kind of aim it closer to my eyeball. And it's also brushed along the bottom of the eyeliner. I can already tell this isn't looking nearly as good as the picture, but hey, we're trying. I'm going to take a blue colour that matches the eyeliner. So probably this colour here. And I'm just going to blend that underneath the blue. So now I'm just going to get rid of all that fallout and all that stuff we don't want. I also just spilled my makeup remover everywhere. I got makeup remover in my eye. And so I'll redo my concealer. I'm going to take this eyeliner pencil and I'm just going to help kind of darken and brighten up this under eye part. So I'm just going to smudge it kind of like underneath. Now I'm going to take that liquid liner and line my lower waterline without dyeing, hopefully. And it's definitely in my eye. Okay, now I'm just going to look at the picture and just fix up anything that like is slightly off or whatever. So looking at it, it doesn't go up quite as high as I blend it. So I'm just going to take that makeup remover again and just kind of like softly just blend it kind of like so it's not as high up. So I'm just going to take my blending brush again and just kind of blend it up a little bit more. I'm going to take that burgundy colour we used before and some of the brown as well and mix them together and just darken up the crease. I'm going to take a little bit of this white shadow here just on my finger like so, and I'm just going to like gently put that into my inner corner just to brighten them up a little bit. Okay, now for mascara, that's the last step. I don't think she's wearing lashes. She might be wearing really subtle lashes, but I don't have any lashes with me at this moment in time. So I'm just gonna put mascara on. I also don't have an eyelash color at the moment, which is really annoying. I need to get one. So I'm just gonna use mascara. I just ruined it. Okay, and that is it complete. I will give myself maybe like a 6 or a 7 out of 10. Let me know if you think I'm being too harsh on myself. I'm very much a perfectionist though, so for me, I think personally, what I think isn't right about it is that the color of orange they're using isn't as vibrant as the color that I used, and my eyeliner isn't as clean as theirs either, and I think just the quality of the makeup they used is much more high-end than the $2 shop makeup I used, but then again I can't really afford a super colourful expensive palette at this moment in time. I have $1.29 to my name, so yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna wear this out today and see if I get any compliments or anything on it. I'm about to go out to lunch, and I mean, I always wear colourful makeup, so like it's not like I feel uncomfortable wearing it or anything like that, but I think it looks good for what it is. But comparing it to the picture, you can just tell it's not perfect. And then again, it is an art form and it doesn't have to be perfect at the same time, so like, yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna give you guys some close-up shots of it and some side-by-side comparisons. And yeah. Okay, so that was my video. Let me know how I did, and if you guys want me to try out different makeup looks, then link them down below to Pinterest or whatever you find them on, if it's Instagram or something like that, and I'll have a look at them and try them out. But yeah, I do need to do my concealer, but I'm in a rush at this moment in time. We're literally like, the time at the moment is 11:01 and we were supposed to leave at 11 to go to lunch, so I'm a little bit late, but that's okay. Yeah, so I just need to like get ready to go out again. The lip color I'm going to be using with this look is probably going to be something very nude and natural. I don't want to do bright orange or like bright blue or anything like that, because that would just like be too much. So I'm probably just going to do like a nude pink lip, but all of my lip stuff is like over there and I don't have time to run and grab it, and then yeah, it's just So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like this series, then give it a big thumbs up, and make sure you like link me down any other looks you want me to do and things like that. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Smile, be safe, and stay beautiful, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Adios.